Hey guys, you know what time it is. We are about to go live and talk about Skinceuticals, and it is Pride Month, so you guys can see, look, I am wearing my beautiful Pride outfit tonight because I want to talk about skincare in men, and I also want to talk about, I know, don't you love this shirt? It's Mr. Turk. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. That secret. But I want to talk about Skinceuticals product, a new one, Phloretin CF. This is a new one to us, but it's not new to the world of vitamin C, because everybody knows. I know this shirt is the best, you guys. Mr. Turk, just so you guys know, it looks really cute and it's light, and you can use it, wear it anywhere. But Skinceuticals and I are very similar, okay? They have a high quality brand that's based upon science. They want to provide the best skincare, which is essentially what I'm doing with Emerage Skin and as a dermatologist. And through decades of research, they have created some of the best products. I know, I agree, you guys. This is like the vitamin C to use. But the cool thing is, in the gel form, it's a really nice applicator. It's a great bottle. And it's one of those where the serum, that all-in-one sort of combination of Phloretin, vitamin C, and ferulic acid gives you such a beautiful improvement in the skin quality. And for the past couple weeks, I've been using the gel itself because I want everybody to learn about the gel. And just overall, Skinceuticals being the company, one of the best companies for products that reduce the sign of aging, products that protect healthy skin and keep it looking that way, prevent future damage. This is all in one, and you guys know that's what we need. We need high quality ingredients that keep us looking fresh, that keep us looking young, overall improving skin radiance, brown patches, visible redness. You want firmer skin, you want better looking skin. So let me view this really quickly. I am going to, because of it, what I want to do is I want to bring in somebody from Skinceuticals. This is a surprise guest today. This is going to be JD. He should be signing in right now. They're all
Hi, Jason.
in the background. You have a Skinceuticals bottle?
I do. It's like
In your
a
house?
life-size one.
Oh
Or
my God,
super size.
this is how obsessed Skinceuticals employees are, you guys. They actually live with Skinceuticals bottles in their house. That's hilarious.
Long time no see, Jason.
How are you?
I'm great. Should I address you? We've known each other for a few years. Should I address you formally as Dr. Emer?
Well, you know, that is what everybody knows me as, but because we're good friends, let's go with Jason, because this is about friendship and a good relationship between companies and innovators, because that's what I am. That's what you guys are.
Absolutely.
And I wanted to tell everybody, okay, I know we're going to go into more about Phloretin and vitamin C and everything, but I wanted people to understand that the philosophy between Jason Emer and Skinceuticals is about combining cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, making overall improvements in skin, and also keeping people looking younger and fresher. Isn't that what Skinceuticals stands for?
Absolutely. Skinceuticals stands for the best in terms of skin health, where skin health meets beauty. But before we get into that, I wanted to comment on your shirt. I love the rainbow.
What do you think?
I saw it. It's Pride Month for those who don't know.
And everybody, take a look. It's
so
right
great.
across my chest, which is why I'm wearing it.
I need to get one of
everyone
those.
to be able to see it.
Well, happy Pride. In celebration of Pride Month, I know that we want to talk to the guys, your followers, about how they can take care of their skin and look their best so we can have glowing skin like you. And one of the best ways to do that is by incorporating a vitamin C serum into your daily regimen. And
so talk to me about that, because here's the thing, you guys. Pride isn't just about men. It's about having courage and being, you know, happy for yourself and happy for everybody else. So that's why we wanted to celebrate it. But I did want to specifically talk about male facial rejuvenation and sort of overall better looking skin, and that starts with a vitamin C. So obviously you have like baby skin, you have like the cutest face, you look young. So
Thank
tell
you.
everybody, obviously vitamin C is a part of that regimen, and I'm sure you're using all Skinceuticals products. So and they're saying on here you're so pretty, which we know. So
Oh
talk
my
to
gosh.
everybody
Thank y'all. Y'all are going to
about,
make me blush.
this is what my followers do. They're going to ask for your Instagram, and then they're going to try and date you. That's what's going to end up
Oh
happening.
my gosh.
So really quickly, tell everybody why they need a vitamin C and what's so good about the Skinceuticals vitamin Cs.
Absolutely. Thank you for that question, Jason. So the reason why you should be using a vitamin C is because it has incredible benefits for the skin. Vitamin C is actually proven to increase the luminosity of your skin, so skin radiance. Your skin is going to look better. Our formulation also has other ingredients that help smooth out textural irregularities, so it accelerates cell turnover, which means that you're going to have an overall brighter, smoother canvas, which everyone wants smooth skin. I mean, like,
everyone wants it.
Look at Jason's face. It's like baby skin.
That's
you
except
look
for a
younger
little
than I do.
clothes, just a little bit of eye wrinkles, but I'm not doing bad.
And then there's another ingredient in our vitamin C formulation as well, which helps to neutralize free radicals, which we'll get into a little bit more. But in addition to making you look better, it's also improving your skin health and neutralizing environmental damage that leads to signs of premature skin aging, like photodamage, lines, wrinkles, discoloration. So we can mitigate all of that by using a clinically proven vitamin C serum once a day.
And this is what I tell people, okay? Because everybody is all about getting what they want right now. This is what our society has come to. If they don't see a result immediately, they just aren't going to be happy. The problem is, these are not products that make something happen right now. This is why I've been using products for 20 years. This is something you need to do on the regular to keep that, all the things that you just said, the prevention of the improvement in the sort of look of the skin, the visual appearance of wrinkles, the plumpness, the sort of the hydration, the firmer lookingness of the skin. That doesn't happen immediately. These turnover processes occur over time, and even a new skincare regimen is going to take at least 6 to 12 weeks for you to start seeing the visual changes and appreciating what people see with skincare. So yeah, tell them about that.
So what we have from Skinceuticals is our company was born from decades of skin cancer research, which led to pioneering. Dr. Emer is the most innovative doctor in this space. I always see him doing really incredible treatments. Skinceuticals is really innovative in skincare specifically. So we had breakthrough technology looking at the function of antioxidants. So our vitamin C serums are formulated differently. So for the men and women, we do have Phloretin CF, which is vitamin C, ferulic acid, and Phloretin. And this is a synergistic trio of proven antioxidants that give you
my entire group, my entire following loves trios, just so you know.
Oh, that's wonderful. So this is a really nice cocktail to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. And all you have to do is apply, if you're using the gel, this is great for men that just want a simple morning routine, 2 pumps on the face after cleansing and toning. That's all you have to do. And this is going to give you firmer skin, brighter skin, reduce those discolorations. Me personally, if you're like any of the guys that are in West Hollywood, California, that have 10 to 12 step routines, maybe a little bit more high maintenance.
I have more than that, just so you guys know.
I recommend the serum because you can layer this with your other serums. And this is the first thing you're going to put on your skin after cleansing and toning every morning. And people refer to this as liquid gold affectionately because it does give you this appreciable glow. I mean, you can tell by Dr. Emer's skin. And it really is a fantastic product. And we can get more into the ingredients or how to use it.
Let me tell everybody. So that was great because that's what I wanted people to know. Phloretin, you guys, is basically a fruit extract. And you guys know botanical and fruit extracts have been used to improve the appearance of acne, or to help acne breakouts, to help with anti-aging, to overall give radiance to the skin. So this is something that you're going to want to use all the time. The ferulic acid is an antioxidant that comes from plants, and you guys know how often I talk about using plant extracts or using plants as a topical product because it improves the overall appearance of the skin. What I like about overall vitamin C is it's an initial step in your daily skincare routine. It's something you need to use every day. I talk to people every morning. You guys know, because you listen to this over and over. When I'm on my YouTube, I talk about you need a good exfoliation cleanser in the morning, you need a good vitamin C, and you need a good anti-aging serum. So using the gel, and I always tell men, a secret thing is if you have, you know, thicker skin, more porous skin, a lot of hair, gel may be a little bit better for you because it may be a little bit easier to get into those porous or thicker areas, where the serum may be good if you have, you know, a little bit of a thinner skin. You want a more spreadability. Exactly. It's thicker.
That's the gel.
The gel, which I love, and you could use the gel. Now you can still layer a gel and with other products. It's just that serums are thinner, and it's easier to put on your serums first, mix them together, and then apply. And yeah, let's show them the drops really quickly. And you can see the drops
right into the skin.
A little bit more luminosity, absorbs very easily, more spreadable than a gel, and a little bit. But in your guys' formulation, the concentrations are the same, correct?
Correct. So it is that 10% pure vitamin C, and vitamin C is found naturally in oranges. There's also another antioxidant that is found in the cell walls of the oranges, which is ferulic acid. And then from apples, we actually derive phloretin, which again accelerates that cell turnover that gives you that radiant glow that you want with your skin, in addition to the brightening benefits of the vitamin C.
The other thing about phloretin, you guys, and we talk about this all the time, is the fighting of free radicals. And here's the thing, I mean, really all antioxidants and all the ingredients that are in these skin protective serums, they're going to fight environmental damage. So you're getting exposed to UV radiation, you're getting exposed to environmental damage like wind and cold and heat and all this other stuff. So radicals were going to form on the surface and damage your skin, which leads to dry skin, less firm skin, damaged barrier, and also just overall that damages the way your skin appears. So we want to promote cell turnover in a healthy way, and you want your good cells, your dead cells to come off, and the good cells that come back have improved ability to look better and feel better. That's applying these antioxidants on the skin. And it's going to complement procedures. This is the other thing I wanted people to know. So years ago, you don't know this, you're so much younger than me, but years ago, I did a bunch of clinical studies combining laser with vitamin C and hydroquinone, which is a medical grade pharmaceutical, okay? And everyone said to me, and Dr. Narkar, who did these studies, you should not do that. That vitamin C could be irritating, it might damage the skin after it's being applied to laser, microneedling, or peels. But we said, you know, it doesn't make sense because this helps cell turnover, it helps reverse damage, it helps the epidermal barrier, it helps absorption of other products on the skin. So let's just put it on. And what happened? Do you know what happened?
Less redness.
Less redness. Visible appearance changing immediately. People notice significantly less swelling, better improvement in the overall appearance of their skin and wrinkles. And I thank you, Raul. Our skin is absolutely flawless. We're both so cute.
Thank you.
Know that. Okay, let us know, you guys, how cute we are. I want to know. I want you guys to tell us how cute we are and how our skin is. They're also saying this is so great. Somebody's saying here that they love doing your phyto product, which is one of my favorite, hyaluronic acid with other botanicals, combined with phloretin to calm the skin down. So that's what happened. It calmed the skin down. It improved the appearance of, they both said we're 10 out of 10, so that's great. It improved the appearance of the skin. It decreased visible redness. it actually improved the rate at which people got acne breakouts. They had much less breakouts, and plumpness of the skin was improved very quickly. So in general, that now has become a standard. Everyone applies, or the ones that really know. Someone's asking me to marry them. Thank you so much. I would love. Go ahead and send a video. Tag me, Jason Emer, MD, and I'll let you know my answer. Okay? You're so funny. So basically, now the standard is after you do any treatment, any procedure in the office. We even do it when we do injectables. We apply hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, because it was a gold standard set by myself and a couple other doctors years ago, combining specifically Skinceuticals vitamin C on top of non-ablative lasers. So that's what we do now, because the redness, the plumpness, the acne, it all improves significantly. And then it helps long-term with discoloration, radiance, and all the things that we talked about, even sebum production, which you don't want after a treatment, because what happens? You get acne. So you don't want that. You want to decrease that. So that's what I wanted everyone to know.
To reinforce what you're saying, Jason, is that, oh, we have someone going by.
Don't worry, there's no rioting right now. We're all fine. Yeah. We're all safe.
Is that it really does help accelerate the skin healing. I like to use the analogy of, if you've ever watched X-Men and you've seen Wolverine.
He's everybody's favorite. You know that.
Exactly. He heals super fast. So anytime you do microneedling, non-ablative lasers, you use that vitamin C, it can cut down your downtime by 48 hours. It's proven. And we've done studies with Solta Medical on that, non-ablative. So it really is an incredible product for radiance, luminosity, texture, evening your skin tone, feeling and looking confident, and protecting the overall health of your skin.
So just so you know, those studies I did with Dr. Narkar. So with that said, what would you choose if you had to, the serum or the gel? Or both? What would you pick?
Leave a comment below.
No, I want you to tell me yours.
Oh, me? Oh, gotcha.
No, I want you to tell me.
I wasn't sure if you were addressing your followers.
I think you need both, because I like a little radiance in the morning, and I like to layer. I use multiple layers, hyaluronic acid, other botanicals, my anti-aging. I like to do a serum vitamin C in the morning. I see everyone saying both. And then I like to, especially if I shave or I'm doing a treatment, I tend to want a little bit more moisture. I want a little bit of a different vehicle. I put my gel. I think most people we've been getting thousands of answers, and they're saying over 55% gel. I was so surprised. What would you say?
I would say, you know what, the gel is has a little more hydration to it. So it is really soothing. It's great post-shave. I love the gel. You can't go wrong with it.
There it is. So, you know, I mean, I had said, I actually picked gel because everybody said gel. And there is some luminosity to it. I want people to see. I already had it on, but I'm going to put a little bit more. There is luminosity. Don't forget your ears. Don't forget your neck. It's super important. And then with me, with the shaved head, do your head. You got to have it on your head. But you can still get a little luminosity to the skin. I think you need both, but if you had to choose one, I think there's a couple ways you can make that choice. Number one, if you want to treat a larger area, you want a thinner product, you want something that can layer a little bit better, you might want to choose the serum. Hi, Juan from Miami. Juan orders a lot of our skincare online, so he's going to be ordering the gel very soon, because it's all for Pride Month, okay? And just so you guys know, I'm gonna make a little announcement. We've been doing a lot lately with donating, and we're gonna be making a huge announcement at the beginning of July that from the end of the year, any skincare sold by us is gonna give a big percentage of sales to both LGBT and BLM groups. We already have a list of about 15, and every single order till the end of the year with a minimum pledge of $15,000 to $20,000 we're gonna do. But my goal is to make it over 100,000. That's what I'm hoping. than sales that we can
Wow.
give to both LGBT and BLM groups. So make sure you guys go to my sites and give back by ordering from us, because we want to help other people.
Absolutely.
So with
Thank
that
you for
said,
being so socially conscious too. I know you don't like to kind of like brag about yourself, but you know, it is really important to be able to give back, and so we do really appreciate that you do that among all the people that follow you. And it is in line with us as well. We try to be very socially conscious.
Well, that's the thing I wanted to bring up.
That.
So I know that you guys typically participate in the Pride parades, which we
That's
couldn't
true.
do, right? But so this year you guys are doing a lot of donations specifically to Pride groups and Skin of Color, which is the other thing you guys know. As a dermatologist, there's very few dermatologists, and I'm a truly fully white skinned from the Midwest, but over 50% of my patients are Black, Hispanic, ethnic, mixed. I did my training in New York, where most of my clients were Latino or Black, and then I did my training in San Francisco, where almost all my clients were Asian. So I have a huge diversity in the treatment of my skin type, so I consider my practice mainly skin of color, actually. And I'm glad that Skinceuticals is giving back. I know you guys are doing a lot of donations in the next 2 to 3 years for skin of color science and research, which is why you guys should be supporting Skinceuticals, because there has never been skincare companies. There are makeup companies, but there are very few skincare companies that have done donations specifically for skin of color, but also in the science and the research, because ethnic skin tones and types are truly need to be treated differently. And as a dermatologist, they have to be treated differently too when it comes to lasers and peels, because the risk of hyperpigmentation is higher, the rate of acne is a little bit different, the look of the skin, the luminosity of the skin changes with the amount of sebum being produced, which is always a little bit different. So I know that you guys are doing a lot for your footprint when it comes to helping in social activism, but also helping in the science of all the people that are using your products, you know?
Absolutely. It definitely resonates with us, and to really be able to be a company of diversity and inclusion and celebrate kind of every hue, so to speak, of the rainbow, metaphorically, is something that we take pride in, as you can see.
So
Thanks
yeah,
for the visual aid.
We don't have much more time, you guys. You have JD here from Skinceuticals. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to ask any questions about Skinceuticals products. But remember, like I said, we were doing that fight between serum and gel, and the answer was use them both, like a rainbow. It's a pride. We got to use them both. But my opinion would be, if you had to choose, if you want a little bit more of a treatment area, spreadability, you want a layer, you might go with the serum. If you want to do something post-procedure, you have maybe beard or shaving, you want to have something that sits on the skin a little bit more heavy, or a little bit as a solo treatment, you might want to go the gel. And again, having a combination of Phloretin, 10% L-ascorbic acid, and ferulic acid, all powerful, both antioxidants and you know, high quality ingredients to that combat fruit acids that combat visible signs of aging. It's a product you need to use. So let's see. What else do you want to say before we go?
Me in particular, or the?
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say? They're saying, yeah. So Andy was asking. Oh, hey, Andy, I love you. How are you doing? They're saying we were saying, are we going to decide between not CE ferulic versus Phloretin. We're talking about Phloretin itself coming in 2 different modalities, the serum and the gel. We didn't talk today about CE ferulic, which I think we should do, actually. Maybe that's the next type. We should talk about why somebody would want to choose CE ferulic over Phloretin, or both. That's the question, because there may be different times you want to use one over the other. They're telling us not to go, but we have to go in a minute. And they're also asking, can Phloretin be combined with Blemish plus Age? That's a great question, actually.
Absolutely.
So tell people about Blemish plus Age really quick. We didn't talk about it today.
Sure, absolutely. Blemish and Age Defense, as someone who suffers with acne breakouts, used to have cystic acne, Blemish and Age is really great for mature skin that's prone to breakouts, active acne. It's alpha and beta hydroxy acid, so you can use it as a spot treatment or all over to decongest the skin and keep your skin clear. The way I like to use it is to use your Phloretin CF serum or gel first, and then layer the Blemish and Age Defense after, and you can use that twice a day. Like the serum, you're going to put 4 drops on your face, or if you just have 1 or 2 little pimples that you want to address, you can just spot treat those areas.
So that was good, you guys. You guys know, remember, again, back to that daily regimen, and they're asking where we can get these products. You guys, if you want any information, at least on products, and we're going to have so many videos because we have a really great Skinceuticals collab that's occurring very soon at emeragecosmetics.com. So make sure you guys go there. You could go to emeragecosmetics.com. We're going to be doing, in the month of July, a huge Skinceuticals promo, not only for my own clients or people across the world. And at emeragecosmetics.com, you guys know we do daily free virtual skincare consults. We typically do about 10 to 15 a day, sometimes up to 20, where we do our esthetician, skincare specialists, and nurses do free virtual skincare consults. They will. I'm signing curate. Up. I can't wait. They will curate a whole system for you, and every 30 days you can get. I actually send a selfie light that goes to the clients, and they send us pictures that we can evaluate the skin. But you can get these products at emeragecosmetics.com and go and make sure to follow Jason Emer MD and Emerage Skin so we can talk more about this collab with Skinceuticals. But the one thing I want you guys to know is a part of my daily regimen, it always includes some sort of mixed acid in the morning. Even if you don't have acne, because a lot of people feel that alpha or beta hydroxy acids are just because you have acne. But just so you guys know, radiance of the skin, discoloration, overall tone, and the appearance of fine wrinkles all improve with alpha and beta hydroxy acid. So it's important if you're going to use discoloration, or sorry, Blemish plus Age, you can use that as not only, like it's saying, blemish, but you could use it for anti-aging purposes. And that's the key. So he talked about layering. It's a great layering product.
That's a great breakdown of the product and the benefits. And Jason, Dr. Emer, thank you so much for having me on. It's been a pleasure.
This was great.
I'm a big fan, and you know, we'll have to do this again sometime.
Yeah. So you guys, I want you guys to go back, talk with the team. Let's get some more of these going because I think we had a lot of followers. I will post this, you guys, so we could talk about it more. I'm sure everyone's gonna like JD. We'll bring him back, I promise, because he's got a young, youthful-looking, glowing skin, which everyone wants to see, and a bright smile. So thank you, JD. We will see you guys soon. Happy Pride Month, and everybody make sure you keep following so you hear more about Skinceuticals products. Bye.
Bye. Happy Pride. Take care.
You too. So you guys, just to finish, again, Pride Month doesn't just mean about men. This is about being prideful for everybody, giving back, getting the best skin possible. That's why we were collab with Skinceuticals. And again, what we talked about today was using Phloretin, the gel, which is on my face right now, in fight with the serum, deciding what's best for the skin. And we basically came down to the fact that you should really use both. And if you had to choose, it's going to be up to you because the quality of the ingredients, the science behind them, and the mixed ingredients in these products are very high quality and antioxidants that you need daily. So just so you guys know, again, emeragecosmetics.com, you can get all your medical grade skincare there. We're going to be making some great videos about Phloretin. Go to our Instagram stories so you can be learning every day, and follow both Emerage Skin and Emerage Cosmetics because we are going to be talking about so much more. Love this shirt. If you guys want this, go to Mr. Turk. It's amazing. I feel like anyone could use it. And then take a look at this beautiful skin. I'm doing my best. I'm almost 40. But I got to do it. You got to do this daily regimen, and it includes vitamin C every day. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And we will see you very soon with more information.